Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your Google Authenticator on Bybit. First, click on the link above to enter your account security settings page. Then perform a login if prompted. Click on the settings button as shown below. After clicking the settings, click on send verification code. A verification code will be sent to either your registered email address or mobile number. Key into the empty boxes and then click the confirm button. Now, a pop-up window will show a QR code and then it will appear. Leave it untouched first while you set up or you use your smartphone to download the Google Authenticator application from Play Store or App Store. After setting up your Google Authenticator app, launch it and inside your smartphone or tablet, click the plus icon and then select the scan a QR code. Scan the QR code and a 6-digit 2FA code will be randomly generated inside your Authenticator app. Write down the RKP or recovery key phrase. Store your RKP securely inside an encrypted cloud server or inside another secure device. Now, enter the 6-digit key here, then tap confirm. And that's it. That's how you can set up your Google Authenticator in your Bybit account, and thank you for listening.